Hi, I'm so happy you're here. Today we're making this super fun Valentine's wood art. This just reminded me when I had this idea of all the nostalgia of years and years ago when we were kids and when you had a crush on someone and carving your name into a tree. And it just was such a warm, fuzzy feeling that I thought this would be a fantastic, fun little project to give to your Valentine. So there's two ways you can do it. One, you can see I cut out the shape of a tree, and the other I just used the idea of it was like a piece of the trunk of the tree. And so we're just putting some texture into the wood, and then we're going to stain it, and when we carve into it, it'll carve down to the lighter wood. So here you could even use a real log for this, but I just thought this was a super fun, special, unique little gift. And I know personally I would have loved to have gotten this. This was my idea. So Chris made this for me and I absolutely love it. And I did put it up in our room. I have a little spot where I have some stuff that's pretty dear to me. And I just love the idea of it, to carve your initials in and then put a year if there's a year that's relevant to you. It just really had a nice, warm, nostalgic vibe to me. So I really hope that you give this one a go. So, and we do have a website, ideas2ididit.com. We have lots of different wood art information and projects. And if you sign up for our newsletter, we will send you a free wood art project so you could give it a try yourself. And if you're interested in wood art, go check out the channel. We have a lot of different projects with a lot of different subjects as well. So go check it out and see, this might be something that you'd love to try. It's a great way to make some extra money or just to have a fantastic hobby. So here we go. So Chris is now starting to carve the heart, and he's using a blade and he's just carving the heart by hand, and he'll also eventually here carve the initials. He did find it a little bit tough with the grain of the wood. It wanted to splinter a lot, but he just worked through it, and he was able to get the heart carved out. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We love to hear from you. And if you like this video, or if it gives you a nice, warm, nostalgic feeling, please leave us a like. It helps so much with the channel. And if you're interested in wood art or wood projects or making a bit of extra money, please consider subscribing to the channel as well. We've got lots of videos up and lots of different projects and information, and we have lots more to come. So Chris did this one by hand using his carving knife, and he did the heart on the other one, the one that's like the tree trunk. He also did that by hand, just with a knife. I really thought of it like when you were a young kid, and if you would have done this, you would have used like a jackknife or something like that. So it's to be rough and it's not to be perfect by any means. But it was a bit difficult with the wood; it was splintering off. So. With the other one, when Chris went to go carve the initials, he did use his Dremel. So a little bit of a cheat, I think. I don't think too many kids would have been at a tree with their Dremel, but you never know. It did turn out great, but they both did. And I'd like to know, does this bring you back some innocence, some nostalgia from your childhood? I'm thinking back when we were kids in the 80s, and it was just a different time. It was a great time, and it was a simpler time, I think. And it's nice to look back, and I think any woman would love to get this, but especially someone who's a bit older, and who would have lived through the time when this would have been done. I think they would really appreciate that. I know I certainly love mine, and I think it's just such a fun, easy, inexpensive gift that truly comes from the heart and shows a real sense of love. And I really hope you do this. I hope you carve one of these and give it to your wife or your girlfriend or your whoever you love. I think there's something really special about it being your handwriting as well. It really does give that personal touch to a gift, which is so sweet and so dear, especially for a Valentine's gift, a gift to represent how much you love someone. So anyway, this one really has just got me very sentimental and all the warm and fuzzies. So I really do hope you try it. And listen, we thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. And it means the world to us. We're so happy every time you guys are here, and we're so happy you spend time with us, and we appreciate it so much. And we hope you're enjoying the videos, and we really hope that you'll continue to watch and continue to support us. We appreciate it so much. So I really hope you make one of these. I hope you give it to someone you love, and I hope they love it too. So thanks again. Thanks so much for watching, and happy Valentine's Day to everyone.